Hey guys, what's up? My Sneakertub just came in. This one is the Elite, I believe. And welcome back to my channel. I'm just in transition of moving to a bigger space right now. Whoops. Alright. Let's get into it. No Sneakertub box this time. This is the Elite, so it comes with two pairs of shoes. And yeah, the Elite, the Sneakertub boxes only fit one, so instead of sending two of those like they usually do, they just sent me one of these. Good paper. So those of you that don't know, you can watch my other videos, but Sneakertub is a shoe subscription. And basically they have various packages of mystery shoes that they send you with accessories. It gets delivered to your house every month. My Elite video, my premium video is already up. This is going to be the Elite video. And most of these brands I've never tried before, or I wouldn't purchase personally going out of my way to purchase them. So it's good to try new brands and new things, and to just look fresh and have a different style and not be like everyone else, but be your own self, you know? Be your own individual, stand out from a crowd. I guess is what I'm trying to say. So that is why I like Sneakertub. And yeah, so let's get into it, guys. All right. So we got a shirt right here. All right, let's open that up. The Stripe Life. Oh, nice. It's a nice Adidas shirt. Good material. Feels dope. Oh, yeah. This is nice. Like I said in my first video, I don't wear a lot of red, but I do like this shirt, and it would look nice. Okay, I got an Adidas little backpack right here. Pretty dope. Little protector at the back. Yeah, I like this. This is cool. This color is nice, actually. What color is that? Does it say? Oh, it says. Well, that's pretty dope. Alright, so it looks like I got some Adidas shoes. Ooh. Damn, these are nice. Okay, I got some Star Wars Stance socks. These are pretty fire. I like these. These are nice. Wow. These are so dope. The material is so nice. Stance socks are always great. Always, never disappointing. Yes, I got a beanie. I needed a hat. Nice. I like this color. What color is that? It doesn't say what color, but I do like this color. It's really nice. Kind of matches the bag over here. Kind of a little off, but kind of. Alright, funny thing is I am wearing Adidas, so Shout out Sneakertub. Somehow they always match my wave. Alright. Another accessory. Okay, another Adidas tiny backpack. That's cool. That's pretty good. I'll put my keys in here. I always lose my keys, so I could keep them in there. That's cool. Nice. Let's crack these open. Ooh, these are nice. These are nice. Okay. I like these. Very different too. Look at that, the gold and blue. Then it has the blue, gold, and red on the other side. The bottom. These are pretty dope. I like these. Wear these to go out. Yeah, these are nice. These are dope. I like these. These are nice. The back. Dope. Alright. So I will be breaking down the pricing in the ending of this video for the premium that I got it at the start of the month, the Sneaker Pirates that I decided to try that was extra this month, and my Elite package. So I'll break that down at the ending, and I'll talk more about that later. Okay, another pair of Adidas. Hopefully some ball shoes. Okay, these are different. Ooh, nice material, the leather on this. Different colors. This eggshell, like cream and blue kind of color. This is nice. These are cool. And it has the alternative laces. It's the front right there. These are nice. Have a nice soft feel to it too. These are called right there, the PW nice high RF. These were called there WDR1s.